তাহলে we describe poverty, lack of opportunity, deprivation, poor neighborhood, poor housing. uh, Poverty is a relative concept. Poor people are those who are considerable rows of than the majority of the population. The majority of the population, a level of deprivation heavily out of line with the general living standard enjoyed by the majority of the population. Poverty or population is a relative and cooperative. They are after exclude the mark from participating the activities economic, social and cultural that are norm for other people, and their access of fundamental rights may be restricted. According to Professor Ujha, poverty can be explained broadly from three viewpoints. Number one, money required for survival and standard living. For fulfilling the basic rates of life, a living standard according to the parameters of a particular society. In those points are called Dr. Ojha social problem in India. In three problem discussed Dr. Professor Ojha in his book and called social problem in India. Next, lack of opportunity. Lack of opportunity every individual has certain equalities, attitude, abilities which are flourished when they are brain nurtured in optimum and appropriate conditions and opportunities around the world, especially in the developing countries like India. It can be found through the research evidence that the talents hidden within the poor children get destroyed due to lack of proper opportunity. People of country in India generally having few expectation from his family, community and also from his country in wider sense for living their lives. Every individual has the fullest right to enjoy their fundamental rights like food, clothes, shelter, education, medical care, etc. that are being mentioned in our constitution. When a person is being deprived to enjoy his her fundamental right, that phenomenon can be termed as lack of opportunity. Next, deprivation. The deprivation, the state of not having something that the people need most, can be termed as deprivation. When the child or children would not be able to fulfill their needs and aspiration during any stage, infancy, childhood, and adolescence of their development for a long time. Its negative impact affect the different dimension: emotional, social, physical, intellectual, etc. of their development. Okay. Next, poor neighborhoods. It also explain you. And last, poor housing. Poor housing অর্থাৎ কি না, বাসস্থানের অভাব, পোর হাউজিং। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।